In manufacturing, warehouse management is vital. It controls everything, from receiving materials to production and final delivery. In this video, we'll cover what it is, the top systems in use, and when you need to upgrade. So, what is it? It's more than the control of a warehouse. It connects raw materials to production and finished goods to customers, and everything in between. This is now more demanding because of higher SKU complexity, more automation, faster delivery requirements, and lack of real-time visibility. Underperforming warehouse management systems leave manufacturing organizations with reliance on traditional manual methods, disconnected working and inconsistent processes, teams unable to plan because they are always reacting to something else. But there are different kinds of systems, and it helps to know which you need. Firstly, there is the Standard Warehouse Management System, or WMS, that keeps inventory accurate and ensures materials are where they should be. It takes care of receiving, inventory tracking, picking and packing, and shipping. Then there is a Warehouse Execution System, or WES. This coordinates your workforce, synchronizes automation and robots, and manages real-time workflows in the warehouse. An Order Management System, often known as a DOM, is different again. This decides where to fulfill orders, which warehouse to use, and how to meet delivery commitments. It connects multiple facilities to a single fulfillment network. You need to move beyond the basic warehouse system when you see signs like increasing manual workarounds, poor inventory visibility, fulfillment delays during peak demand, difficulties with SKU complexity, automation bottlenecks, and inconsistent workflows across sites. Production delays, inventory errors, and missed deliveries are the result. Today's manufacturing businesses need more than basic warehouse systems. They need real-time inventory visibility across facilities, coordination between workforce and automation, integration with ERP, production and fulfillment systems, scalability as operations grow. This is because warehouses sit at the center of production, fulfillment, service operations, and delivery to customers. Warehouse management in modern manufacturing is about so much more than inventory. It keeps production running, coordinates automation, and ensures reliable delivery at scale. As businesses grow and requirements become more complex, manufacturing organizations need systems that combine warehouse management with execution coordination and orchestration. Solutions like IFS Softeon are designed for these environments, where visibility, coordination, and throughput are critical.